Okie dokie. So, cut the grass today. Everything's looking pretty nice tonight. You can hear the birds in the background. Let's go down past the magnolia tree, by the lemon tree. I've got some still photos I'll add in here too. Here's that new pear tree. There's that beautiful Japanese maple tree. You can hear the birds. I think they're here in the magnolia tree tonight. They're just really chirping up a storm. And here we go by the front door. We have all these rose bushes throughout the yard. And Charlotte's coming. Say hello to Charlotte, everybody. All right, now we're going over to, oh, look at the dogwoods straight ahead. And the camellias and the boxwoods to the right. And then we head over to Crepe Myrtle Row, as I call it. And that's the front yard for right now. You see, we got mint growing everywhere too now in the front yard. And that's the front yard. Okay, so now we're going to the backyard. And I just want y'all to see something. I believe we got some wild strawberries. Cool. Edible. And here's the rose bushes. And all the mint. And going through all the red tips over here on the left. And the holly bush tree. And then we're going past the box. Red tips, I don't know why I want to call them boxwoods. And birdhouse. Try not to disturb the birds. So I cut the grass late today. Oops. Sorry, I had to get a bug off my arm. There's the vinca. And magnolia tree. And we're gonna slide on back over here to the backyard because I can't wait for you to see this clover patch. See? The backyard is covered in clover. And it's beautiful clover too. It's all over. The bees love it. There's all the garlic. See that beautiful garlic? There's 20 of those things, of the flowers in this pile right here. Whoa, a hole. Hydrangea. It's got beautiful blooms coming in the next few days. Blue art for those who like blue art. And that glass in the yard. More pink roses. Okay, we're gonna go past. Hopefully I don't fall. There's all the clover. And all the container gardening. And that's all back in here. We've got just about everything growing back here in the containers. As you can tell over here, we got broccoli. And there's some greens back here. We're gonna find out. We'll go past all the clover. Thank you. It is beautiful. Just beautiful tonight. Chocolate mint down here on the front. It's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And everything is on its way to growing this year. Got 2 new azaleas we're growing in pots. Let you know how that comes out. all our clover. All right, that's the latest update on our yard.